We are students of Excel Public School, and today we are here to present our project EcoGov, our vision for a cleaner and a more sustainable world. What began as a small spark of ideas soon grew into a vision to design simple, eco-friendly solutions that create real impact.
We came across this issue while we noticed our surrounding drains overflowing with dirty storm drain water on rainy days, emptying out into open water bodies and harming aquatic life. That's when the idea struck. That's when Shudhi was born, a simple, practical, upcycled filter to clean stormwater drains in an efficient way. Seeing this firsthand made us emotionally connected to the problem.
As we studied different pollutants found in stormwater, we explored materials capable of filtering oils, sediments, microplastics, and solid waste. Our first design had 3 layers, but as our understanding grew, we improved it to a 6 layer filtration system. This included an aerator, a plastic mesh, 2 sediment filter layers, and 2 layers of granular activated charcoal packed inside upcycled bottles arranged alternatively for more effective filtration.
First, we started by cutting used PVC pipes and making holes in the plastic bottles. Then we filled the nylon mesh with granular charcoal and perlite and inserted them into the bottles. We 3D printed the base of the plastic mesh layer to interconnect the plastic strips which were twisted to a circular cross section.
To test Shuddhi, we collected dirty water containing common storm drain pollutants like leaves, ink, thermocol, oil, plastic wires, and stones. We also tested it in an actual storm drain. The results were encouraging. Most solid waste and oil were filtered out, and the water appeared visibly cleaner. We consulted 2 environmentalists who appreciated our work and suggested improvements like adding baffle walls and refining the charcoal orientation.
Through this project, we learned to collaborate, think critically, and transform a simple idea into a functional solution.
Shudhi helped us understand that even small innovations can contribute meaningfully to environmental protection. Thank you for supporting our journey with EcoProgress. Have a wonderful day ahead.